Ladies and gentlemen, today we are in Lichota in Migori County. Like I told you, there's an upgrade that we've done in this house, changing the batteries from gel batteries to lithium ion batteries. We've also added another inverter and also added some panels. So there are a number of reasons that one can decide to go lithium. One, lithium ion batteries are long lasting. So we're talking about 25 years plus. Unlike other gel batteries or uh, lead acid batteries whereby you have a few years. Gel batteries, you can take so many years. So just the lifespan of the solar panels can run concurrently with the lifespan of the lithium ion battery. So let me go with you guys and take you to where we have done